Eagle, soaring high with wings spread wide. Parrot, with colors a vibrant guide. Sparrow, in the morning light on its feet. Owl, in the silence wise and discreet. Peacock, flaunting feathers a regal dance. Falcon, in the sky with a sharp glance. Crow, in the shadows clever and sly. Finch, in the field singing songs that fly. Hummingbird, buzzing so quick and small. Robin, in the garden the first of the fall. Dove, of peace flying over the sea. Hawk, with the wind forever so free. Turkey struts proudly with feathers so bright. Thrush in the bushes singing through the night. Starling in the sunset, a mystical sight. Each bird in the sky, a story alive.